Leadenhall office building, which is the tallest building in the city of London, is again a different animal. First of all, it's an office building, and that's, as I mentioned, tends to be very boring. One of the arts of architecture is not only to humanize it, as I mentioned, but also how to use the constraints and in a way turn them upside down and see whether you can help you to design the building. The main constraint on Leadenhall was this. It was a view to St. Paul's. Now, London is unique in being partly controlled by views. So you have these big cuts, and you have to leave certain views open to St. Paul's, and we were on one of those views. The only way to build a tall building was to slope out of that. Now, you could step out of it, you could cut it shorter, and so on. So we made use of this, and we cut it back, the cheese grater is now called, at an angle. And that gives it that very prominent section and profile from all over London. We also had a client, again, which we got on very well, British Land, who were willing to have a 7-story atrium, though it's not enclosed, so probably it could call it a 7-story public space, below the building. The building itself expresses its system of construction, because again, we celebrate construction, because it's one of the things in which we get scale. And scale is a critical part. I mean, architecture is about scale, it is about rhythm, it is about poetry, it's about geometry, it's obviously about beauty. These are all these elements. And